Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to this video. This video I speak about uh, local support. Local support is the best support, is the important support, most important support, and the best point to return price and return area. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and practice. First test in the demo account. Yes, let's go. Look at area, buy fast, big candle, return candle. This area is local support. Design local support. Yes, I design local support. And the local support, I wait return price. I wait return candle. Third line candle, big candle, full candle. This area, look at the chart. Yes. Continue. Yes. Fast buy. Yes. Continue. Look at the candle. Focus on this video. Continue. No candle. Continue. This candle is a return candle. Continue. Third line candle, big candle, full candle. Yes. Local support is important. Return price and local support and go local resistance. This area, look at the mouse, is local resistance. Local support, go local resistance. Continue. This candle is third line candle, sell candle, red candle. Continue. Yes, broken zone. This zone is broken. Continue. Yes. After fast sell, after fast buy. Yes, this area. Look at another example. This area. Local support. I want design local supports. This area have a fast buy. Big candle, green candle, full candle. Look at. Go next local resistance. This area is local resistance. And on the local support zone, I wait return price. Yes, wait return on zone, return price, this area. This area go by, period third line, period green candle, full candle, big candle. Continue. This area have a local resistance because have a fast sell. This area local resistance, design zone local resistance because have a fast sell, fast return price, fast sell. Yes, look at the mouse, look at area. Please focus on the chart. Continue, continue. Next candle, next candle, next candle. Yes, yes. Big green and full candle. Return price and local support zone. Yes. Return price. Continue, continue. Is very, very good. Yes. Local support zone, go local resistance zone. Continue. Design local resistance zone. Continue. Yes, look at the chart, look at the chart. On the local support zone, go local resistance zone. Yes. Another example, another example. Please look at area, look at area. Yes. After fast buy, end of the candle is return price. Local support, design local support. Yes, this area is local support. Continue. I wait return price and zone. Price return to buy. Go buy. This area, this area. Look at the chart. Continue. Next candle, next candle. Continue, continue. Continue. Big fat line, big fat line. But red candle. Continue. Continue. This area is local resistance. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Design local resistance. Next candle. Yes, this area. This area is local resistance. I design local resistance. Continue. Next candle. Continue. Buy fast. Buy fast. Continue. Look at the chart. Yes. Take a profit. TP. This candle TP. Touch local resistance. Touch zone. Continue. Touch zone and broken zone. After broken zone, create new support and local resistance. Continue, continue. Yes. This area is new local resistance. Create new local resistance. Because previous local resistance broken. This area is new local resistance. Continue. Continue. Yes. Fat line candle. This candle is fat line candle. Return candle. Green candle. Yes. Price go buy. Yes. Continue. 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 Yes. Create new fat line. new fed line on the zone. This candle, look at area, look at the mouse, continue. Next candle, continue. Yes, continue. Next local resistance, continue. It's very good. Yes, this zone broken local support zone. Yes, look at the chart. I designed local support and return price on local support. This area, look at the chart. Yes, it's very good. Very good. Good return price. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and practice. Please write your opinion about this video. Thank you so much.